Okay, today we are going to focusing on O sound word and double O sound words. The O sound is, what is the sound of O, Satish? Very good. And what is the sound of double O? Ooh. So here we have some words, and Satish is going to fill the first one. What word is this? Caught. Caught. This word is caught. So Satish is going to write down only O. Very good. What is the next one, beta? Very nice. So we are going to put double O. COOL. Cool. Nice. Next. S. नहीं, speak again. स. सून भी हो सकता है और सन भी हो सकता है. स ओ न सन एंड soon. SOON soon and SON sun. और सताइश ने sun लिखा है. Good. The next one we have is t. Very good. Tool. We use different tools in our home, in the garage, to make the things sometimes bit tight to adjust. The next one word we have is non. No, wrong. We didn't read such type of word non. हाँ, noon. Noon. Very good. Noon. सपहर को कहते हैं. दोपहर के बाद का जो टाइम होता है उसको नून कहते हैं. Okay, the next one word we have is first not. Very good. Not. Ibrahim? Not. Very good. The next one we have is very nice. Roof. So what we will write down here, O or double O? Nice. Roof. The spelling of roof is ROOF. Roof. Very good. The next one we have is, Satish, please do good writing. Very good. Rod. Very nice. ROD. Rod. The spelling of rod is ROD. Rod. The last one we have is, what is this? What is it? Show me. Last word. What is this? Ford. कोई word नहीं होता, आपको पता है? Yes. Food. Very good. If you people have good reading practice, you can easily understand what kind of word it is. अगर आपकी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं है तो फिर आपको खुद भी समझ नहीं आएगी कि यहाँ पे ओ लगाएं या हम डबल ओ लगाएं. फाइन. सो इट्स बेटर कि आपकी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस अच्छी होनी चाहिए.